What's up? This is Yu-Gi-Oh! For God. We're here with
Alex Colucci,
and you placed
top 3 at our box tournament.
And what'd you play?
Something spicy. I want to show you guys.
Spicy,
It's really fun. I played Cam in the finals. Shout out to him for winning. He got first. So we're doing Super Heavy Samurai, but that's not the main focus of the deck. I'll show you why I'm playing this. But you do the basic stuff here. So this is to go into Denglong. With this as a 4 and this as a 1, you can go into Denglong, and then you search for this, which lets you use Pen Summon and search for the Omni Negate. So that's before you even continue into like Swordsoul stuff. So that's why I'm primarily playing this deck. And then we can go into Swordsoul. The 3 Ecclesia, pretty standard. 3 Moye, standard as well. 3 Langyon and 2. I don't need to explain that. That's just like standard. For Tenyis, a little smaller ratio than usual, but you're doing 3 of the best one, 2 Vishuda, 2 this, and 1 because it comes up sometimes. You're not playing the spells and traps because of Super Heavy Samurai, but otherwise it's really good. For hand traps, you're doing 3 Droll, 3 Veiler, 3 Ash. You can't play Imperm, you can't play Board Breakers because of Super Heavy Samurai, so you just put the most impactful hand traps. I'd like it to be Imperm, but Effect Veiler is basically Imperm, so there you go. And then you do play spells and traps, but these don't really come up too often. There was one time I messed up and activated this before Wakaushi, but as long as you do Wakaushi first and then do this, you're fine. So that's it. I think it's 42, 43. For extra deck, I didn't put an order, but Baron, Dragite, Chi Zhao, you had 2 of those. Longyon, Yazi, the Big 10, 2 Boxia, because it's crazy good. 1 Xiaofeng, 1 Denglong, 1 Draco Berserker, and then 2 and 1. You remove, I used to have 3 of this, but you need to add Denglong to the deck, so I just removed 1. It came up one time today where I didn't have the 3rd monk, and that hurt, but otherwise I think the deck was really good. Side deck, these should be crows, so don't play these. I mean, I guess you could, but I'd rather play crow. 3 Nib, conflicts with Tenyis, but otherwise really good hand trap. This is really good. I recommend everyone play this card. 3 Cosmic, and then 3 Anti-Spell. That's the deck.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did I miss the counter trap? Was that
I showed that in the beginning.
That was in your...
Yep. And then, I could show the combo, but we'll do that for another time.
Cool.
Yeah.
And anything else you want to say?
Shout out to all my friends here. You can pan out to them. Everyone here, including Cam, including Brian, everyone.
Thank you for hosting.
Shout out to Magic and Monster.
Thank you, Magic and Monster.
Best locals. If you're in Mission Viejo, this is the best locals by far. Like it's not even like question. So if you're here, you should come by.
Cool. All right. Signing out.
Later.